Good day. Today, we are going to discuss the comparison and contrast of the three project proposals of the undergrad students and BTech students of TUP Cavite using the tabular guide of Dr. Namirna R. Batino. The first research proposal is about the grip ratchet prepared by the automotive engineering students in the evening section and presented on September 23, 2013.
The second research proposal is about centralized wheel wrench presented by the Automotive Engineering Technology student E4C conducted September 20, 2013.
The third research proposal is about development of the hydraulic type universal cross joint remover conducted by a BTech student and presented on March 2012.
Preliminary pages consist of the following: title page, approval sheet, acknowledgement, abstract, table of contents. Proposal and the second proposals consist of the name of the school, title, department, the name of researchers, section, and the year they presented the research proposal. While on the third research proposal, if you can see, we only have the title for the research proposal, the department, school, name of the researchers, and the date they submitted the research. The first proposal used Times New Roman, while the second and third proposal used Bookman Old Style. If you can see, the spacing for each proposal are not standard, which means they use one spacing for the first proposal, double spacing for the second and third. The title of the first proposal consists of 2 words, while the second proposal consists of 3 words, and the third proposal consists of 8 words. If you can see, it is center aligned and single spacing. The standard margin for a research proposal is 1.5 inches on top and left margin, while 1 inches for the bottom and right margin. Caps lock is used in every title pages. If you can see, for the approval sheet, they don't use the standard margin, which is 1.5 on the top. For the acknowledgement, they don't have the consistency in using the spacing. When it comes to the abstract, the first proposal consists only of 64 words, while the second proposal consists of 124 words, and the third proposal consists of 225 words, which is not on double spacing and not in 250 words. If you can see on the table of contents on each proposals, they use different kinds of numbers. In Proposal 1, the title page, approval sheet, acknowledgement, and abstract doesn't have any pages on it. While on table of contents in Proposal
The first and third proposal did not follow the prescribed top and left margins, but followed the double spacing, while the second proposal used the prescribed 1.5 spacing. They all give the full context in a way that flows from what has been said in the opening. The third proposal did not indicate its introductory paragraph. Topics of the third proposals are well introduced, indicate the major section of the essay, its structure principles clearly stated in a single arguable statement with a clear main clause. The background engaged the reader with broad themes and topics. It illustrated concepts, questions, and theory, demonstrate experience, knowledge, and passion. It is prescribed and measured. First and second proposal stated the general objectives, while the third proposal has the statement of the problem that clearly answers the question, what is the problem and why is the problem worth the attention? Significance of the study state the importance and implication of their work, shows the impact of the study to the general public, how it benefits people's lives, make process more efficient to the environment. The scope and delimitation in the first proposal came first than the significance of the study, which is not supposed to be the case. According to our tabular guide, the first to come is the background of the study, followed by the general objectives, then the significance of the
Now
study,
let's proceed
and last is
in
the
chapter
scope
2,
of delimitation.
the review of related literature. If you can see, the margin are not followed. Introductory paragraph cannot be seen on the second proposal. And if you can see also, more on figures, not literature or review of literatures are presented on chapter 2 for the first and second proposals. Lots of figures can be shown in the two proposals. While on the third proposal, if you can see, they have cited different literatures and studies, figures, the type and how they are being used, the meanings, and the conceptual framework or paradigm on how they obtain the output of their research. Research 1 also have a research paradigm which shows the input process output of their proposal, while on the second proposal they don't discuss about the conceptual framework or the research paradigm. They only included figures.
Chapter 3.
And
The
their
three
meanings.
researchers describe the research design, and this research design is descriptive, qualitative type of a research. They describe the project development, the parts and functions. These three groups of researchers are all automotive students. They manage the survey of the 80% of the population of the course. These chapters, they explain how they treat the gathered data, procedures, and instruments to use in statistical treatment. Chapter 4, Results and Finding. The three researchers start in introductory paragraph that contains of the results and finding in the project evaluation. Survey methods were used to collect and tabulate the data. Chapter 5, Summary, Conclusion, and Recommendation. In this chapter, the three researchers start with the introductory paragraph and summarize and conclude the results of evaluation on the chapter 5, and they describe some recommendation for future research who interested for improvement.
For the concluding pages, which list downs of the following, the references, appendices, and the curriculum vitae. On the first proposal, it consists only of reference, which is not center-aligned, and minimal references, and the appendices, which shows the expenses for the said proposal and request for the panel defense. On the second research proposal, we only have one page for the bibliography, which includes all the internet and website sources they use for their proposal. While on the third research proposal, they use the word bibliography again rather than references, and most of its sources came from the internet. The appendices consist of the Gantt chart, tools and equipment, the questionnaires or instruments to measure, user's manual, letter to the panel members, bill of materials, and the curriculum vitae of the researchers.